Aviation in simple term means air transportation or transportation by air. The word aviation is the activities surrounding mechanical flight and the aircraft industry. Aviation has contributed a lot to our country. It provides rapid worldwide transportation, generate economic growth, create jobs, and especially helps the tourism industry. It makes our lives easier because without this, we cannot get to distant places easily. Compared to ships, you will have to wait a few more days before reaching your destination. This is really important, especially if you want to make it easier to ship your products overseas as cargo. Exporting products is an effective way for you. Aviation evolved through centuries of development. Kite flying in China dates back to several hundred years BC and slowly spread around the world. Leonardo da Vinci in 1480s also invented different models of aircraft that didn't fly. In 1970s, Montgolfier brothers invented hot air balloon, and 19th century, George Cayley and Otto Lilienthal invented gliders. Finally, in 1903, the Wright brothers Wilbur and Orville invented and flew the first airplane called Wright Flyer. They spent 2 more years perfecting their design, and after their first flight, the aviation came out and was also discovered, and airport activities are also on the rise. Aviation has 2 categories: military aviation and civil aviation. Military aviation is the use of military aircraft that includes bombers, fighter transports, trainer aircraft, and reconnaissance aircraft, Army, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. Civil aviation means use of aircraft for non-military flying. It includes private aviation and commercial aviation. The key components are aircraft, airlines, airports, and ground handling.